Alright everyone, welcome to Tomahawk DIY. Today we're taking a look at installation of a wire nut. It's quite a simple, straightforward procedure, and you use this lots of times as you're working on electrical wiring and you need to splice two wires together. So here we've got the two wires to be spliced together. Before starting the video, I took my wire strippers and clamped down around the wire, pulled it off to strip the wire. And once you've got your wire stripped, you want to get the two wires, hold them close together, take your wire nut, put it over the top, and screw down on it. Now the wires should stay put as you tug on them. To be safest, you can take some electrical tape, some black electrical tape, and actually wrap around the wires that you've spliced together. Just like that, and that's how you splice wires together.